Bad news. Medical debts is actually going to stay on your credit reports because a Texas court just blocked the rule that would actually remove the medical bills off of your credit reports. So what that means is $49 billion in medical is going to stay listed. What that also means is your credit scores can now drop by 20 plus points, even if it's not your fault. Now, the ironic part about this is the rule was created to protect you from unexpected medical bills that may have hit your credit report and lowered your credit score. But big industry groups with big industry money push back, and best believe they won. So now I'm going to give you a quick step-by-step guide on what you need to do next. First, check your credit report for any medical collections and highlight them. Next, dispute any errors or outdated items. Negotiate a pay for delete if possible, and then add as many positive trade lines as you can so you can start the rebuilding process on your credit. At Community Stimulus Services, we're going to help you fight back with strategy, not stress. Now, for more tips like this that could possibly impact your credit, follow me at King Andrew Woods or just click the link in my bio and get the info.